Okay, I'm going to show you what you can do with the nylon squares. So we've got two, but we're going to work with one at the moment. We're going to work on our hand-eye coordination, great for catching, great for watching, sensory. So this one's called catch high. All I'm going to do with my two hands, go low to high and clap. Okay, and again you could do it with one hand, low to high and catch. Ooh, it nearly blew off then. And I might want to swap hands. So, or you could bring in two nylon squares. So I could go 1, 2, catch, catch. Now that can be quite tricky, so move on to that when you're confident with the two hands. Another one is called catch it. Fantastic for catching on your body parts. You can have somebody calling them out, or you can do it on your own. So I love it when it lands on my face. So here we go. Yeah, I've got a yellow face. Love the feel of that. I want to catch it on my knee now. So again, low to high, lifting. Oh, nearly. Oh, I'll try that again. Keep trying. I'm lifting the knee. You can do this from sitting. You could go on the floor. Okay, you could bring in two nylon squares together. So that's lovely colours going and catching. Just using your hands. The butterfly game. Great. Pop this on your face, give it a good blow, inhale, and then you could catch it. You could use blowing it and landing on your body like we've just done before. So I could blow it and then landing on my arm, or you can do it blowing in the two and catching it 1, 2. I'm going to bring Lisa in now. She's going to do the game with me where we just do drop it. She's going to show us what to do. She's just going to drop it and have, ooh, you could bring in two scarves, so 1, 2. I might want to let Lisa move a bit, so I throw it to one side and then to the other side. But move on when you're ready. If you're finding that difficult, again, do it from a seating position or a standing position. Last game of the nylon squares, favourite game, called catch the tail. I'm going to pop the tail in my waistband, or you can pop it in the side of your chair. Okay, I'm going to run around and Lisa's got to try and catch the tail. Are you ready, Lisa?
Yeah.
Here we go. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Where is she? Oh, now Lisa can do it as well. Make sure that you take turns in playing the games. That's the nylon square. Enjoy.